How to get to My Eyes Only on Snapchat without a passcode. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually get to the My Eyes Only section on Snapchat without actually using a passcode. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started. So maybe you want to get into My Eyes, but then you don't remember your password, and now you're looking for a way to actually enter it without passcode. Now we are going to run through some of the steps which will hopefully get you go to the My Eyes Only. First things first, what you have to do is simply make sure to update the Snapchat app to the latest version. You can head over to your device's app store, in the search box type in Snapchat and go ahead and simply update the Snapchat app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Snapchat, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now what you have to do is, from the bottom left, we are going to tap on this photos icon or this gallery icon to basically go to our My Eyes mode. And at the top of the menu, you want to scroll all the way to the right hand side until you get to My Eyes Only. Now the thing here is that if you don't remember your My Eyes Only passcode and you want to get to it without actually entering your passcode, you want to understand that there is no way to enter into My Eyes without a passcode. However, don't exit just yet. However, there is a way to actually reset your My Eyes Only pin, and in order to do that, what you have to do is, from the bottom right hand side, you can see this options button. So tap on this options button and you can see the option which says change passcode or forgot passcode. Now basically, if you tapped on change passcode, you would have to enter your previous passcode, which we don't know, by the way, right? So what we have to do is we want to simply tap on the forgot passcode button. And as we tap on forgot password, even if you don't remember the passcode for the My Eyes Only, you want to make sure to remember the passcode of your Snapchat account. If you don't remember the Snapchat account password, you could also go ahead and reset that, but you can watch our other video for that case. If you know your Snapchat account's password, go ahead and simply enter. Like example, I'm going to go ahead and enter my passcode. Once you enter your Snapchat account passcode, what you have to do is simply tap on the next button. Now you can see there it says when you forget your passcode, you no longer can access My Eyes Only. If you would like to create a new passcode, you will lose everything currently saved to My Eyes Only, so you want to make sure to be aware of that. Then you can tap I understand that creating a new passcode will delete all snaps in My Eyes Only. So tap on the continue button, go ahead and enter the new passcode for your My Eyes Only section. Now you could go ahead and check it, and you can see our new passcode there. Tap on the continue button as well. You can see now we can get to the My Eyes Only, but then the only downside is that we would have actually lost all of the snaps which we had saved to our My Eyes Only. Now this is basically it on how you can get to My Eyes Only without its passcode, but obviously you would have to reset it. We hope this video was also really helpful to you, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts regarding this, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.